Here we have a very nice looking pine wardrobe. Now this one actually is reclaimed. It's not antique, but it does look the part. Made from clean reclaimed old boards, and it's French. So you've got a nice cornice top there. The sides are all panelled. You've got bracket feet front and rear. Again, the doors are nicely panelled. It's a good looking thing, this. You've got a fully working lock with a key. Actually some quite nice decorative key plates there. The doors have French style external hinges, so the doors do open fully wide. Now we will fit a new brass hanging rail inside to hang clothes. As this is quite a tall wardrobe, we could also put a shelf up here at the top and then put the hanging rail below. And then down at the bottom you've got this sort of deep recess for putting shoes and bits and pieces. Like most of our wardrobes, it does completely dismantle for delivery, so no problems going upstairs and what have you. The code for this one is P1900E. The price on the bare wood is £800, and if you'd like it wax polished, it's £897. It's 83.5 inches high, 64 inches wide. It's 25 inches deep, and the internal depth is 20 inches, so it's plenty deep enough for hanging large coats.